In this lecture, we'll learn how to add decals to our part files. And this is very straightforward, and Fusion makes this really easy for us. So to demonstrate this, let's create some parts to put these decals on. Let's go and create sketch. I'm going to select the XY plane, and hit C on the keyboard, start from the origin, the diameter of 50 mil, press enter. I'm going to press R on the keyboard, I'm going to draw in a rectangle. Let's go 50, hit tab on the keyboard, press 50 again, enter. Got our two profiles there. Let's finish the sketch. Let's press E on the keyboard for extrude. Let's select this profile and this one. Then in the parameter box, I'm going to put in 100 mil, press enter. There we've got our two parts, so our cylinder and our block. Let's go ahead and put a decal on both of these. So on the cylinder, I'll show you about wrapping a decal to a face. And then on the block, we'll just go to one face and also multiple faces as well. So let's come up to the top, and under our insert, let's hit the drop down. Then we have decal just here, left click once. And then Fusion will bring us to our project folders. And so if you're storing your decals or images in here, fantastic. I've got mine just down here, fusionlogo.png. But otherwise, if you want to pull a file from your computer, you can select insert from my computer, locate the according file, and Fusion will import that. So I've chosen my image, I select insert, and then our toolbox pops up. And very simple, we just need to define a face. First of all, let's go for this face here. Left click once, look at that from the front view. And we can adjust this manually, so we can move it up and down on the Y, cross on the Z. We can also flip it horizontally, so we just left click once, and the same vertically as well, like so. We can rotate this to any angle that we need. We've got the square here, so that's just a free move. We can move that anywhere on the X and Y. We've also got the scales here as well. So the one in the corner is a uniform scale, and the one here is a scale in the Y-axis. I'm going to put that back as 1, and then the other one is a scale in the X-axis, and I'll put that back as 1 as well. So let's position this roughly in the center. I'm going to scale that up slightly. Let's go for this size, looking good. And then we have all of those options available to us in the toolbox. So the very first option available is opacity. So we can use the slider there. If we bring that down, we'll see there that the part's becoming very much transparent. I'm going to bring that up to 100. Control the distances, angles, and scaling. I've got my flips here as well. I'm going to press OK there, rotate the part, and we'll see that logo nicely positioned. Let's go ahead and edit this decal then. Right click, select Edit Feature. And let's move this up until we breach onto this face here. I'll continue to drag up, just for an example there, and then we can see that the logo has kind of wrapped to this face and this face. And likewise, we can do that with other faces as well. So if I drag in this direction, we can see that it wraps around, although it does look kind of odd if we do that. So I'm going to move that back, keep it on this face here. Press OK there. Okay, and let's do the same for the cylinder as well. So come under Insert, Decal. I'll select my same image, Insert. I'm going to select this face here. Not too keen on that angle. Let's rotate that around. Yeah, so minus 90 degrees on the Z. Reposition that. I'm going to scale that up slightly as well. Okay. And then we can see that that has wrapped around the cylinder. It's a really nice tool to use in Fusion. Very straightforward. And that is how we insert decals into our parts. Hope you're able to follow along okay. Any questions, please let me know. But aside from that, I will see you in the next lecture.